Why is finding a foster care adoption placement so difficult? Imagine trying to find the perfect home for a child who has already faced so much. It's a process filled with many hurdles, and understanding why can help us appreciate the effort involved. When children enter foster care because their birth parents are unable to care for them, the goal is often to reunite the family. This means the legal system prioritizes returning children to their birth parents if they meet court-ordered requirements like parenting classes or substance abuse treatment. Because of this focus, children may stay in foster care for months or even years while parents work toward reunification, delaying permanent adoption placements. Another big reason is the protection of parental rights. Laws requiring clear proof of abuse or neglect before terminating a parent's rights. This process is designed to be fair and thorough, which can take a long time. Courts need to be sure that all efforts to help the family have been made and that the child's safety is the top priority. Because of these legal safeguards, many children remain in foster care longer than expected, making it harder for adoptive families to step in. Legal risks also play a role. Sometimes foster families are caring for children whose birth parents still have legal rights. These are called legal risk placements. If the parents meet the court's requirements, the child might be returned to them, which can cause disruption for the child and the foster family. This uncertainty makes some families hesitant to pursue foster care adoption, knowing that the child's placement might change unexpectedly. The process of becoming an adoptive family involves many steps. Prospective parents must undergo home studies, background checks, and interviews to ensure they can provide a safe environment. These checks are important but can add months to the process. Additionally, matching children with families who can meet their emotional, medical, and developmental needs is complex. For children with special needs or older children, finding a good fit can be even more challenging. Legal and procedural rules differ from state to state, and sometimes involve interstate agreements like the Interstate Compact on the placement of children. These laws regulate out-of-state placements and can slow down the process further. All these factors combined mean that finding a foster care adoption placement is often a lengthy, careful, and sometimes uncertain journey. It requires patience, legal guidance, and a strong commitment from prospective parents, but the goal is always to find the best, most stable home for each child.